Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So there is a common question that early to bed, early to rise makes man healthy, wealthy, and wise. But there is one question that why to wake up early? Because many people are working in corporates, many people are doing some other businesses where they have to have meetings or have some late works. They have come after like 10 hours, 11 hours. So they are not able to wake up early in the morning. So that's a biggest challenge going on in today's era. So basically, even though they are also not believing that it is important to wake up early and what are the benefits of waking up early according to science and spirituality as well, but mainly on the science, because many people doesn't believe in spirituality as of now and they only believe that science is the only truth. So basically, there is not even evidence, they say, that in science that it's okay if we don't wake up early in the morning and it will not affect our health, because money is more important, because money will help us to live our life, not our health. So health is secondary and uh, wealth is wealth is the priority. So in the also they say that doing exercise or yoga, many people used to go even in gym at night time at 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and they come home, they take shower, and then they sleep like 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, and then they wake up at 10 o'clock in the morning or 11 o'clock. So they don't have like particular or regulated life, basic mainly in the sleeping cycle. So what is the benefit of waking up early? As there is a quote, as I've quoted, like early to bed, early to rise makes men healthy, wealthy, and wise. How? So according to science, there is a research happened in Belgium. There were two scientists, and they have published a paper named "Time to Think." So I will publish it here. If I have it, it will be here. So Time to Think is a paper where they have given detailed explanation about the cycle of the brain, how it will work, about the different time, how it will work when they have complete sleep, when what type of sleep they should have, at what time period they should have. It's completely mentioned in like complete detailed. So in that they have mentioned that the person who sleeps at 10 o'clock, 9:30 to like 10:30, between that, and he wakes up at 4 o'clock, between 4 to 4:30 in the morning every day, right, will have better lifestyle, will have better mindset. So according to their research, they have said that the person who sleep between 10 to 4 is the best sleep they will get it ever. If they will sleep even at 2 o'clock in the morning and wakes up at 11 or 12 o'clock, even after getting like 9 to 10 hours of sleep, is better than getting, it's not even better, the best sleep that we can get is between 10 to 4. That's the best sleep a human mind can have. Why? I will explain. Because they will have called circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm, I will just give some definitions here. Circadian rhythm, they have researched that there is a brain inside the center of our brain that is called circadian rhythm. That rhythm is like that when we sleep, there is some of the signals that mind sends, then after we can get sleeps, and after when we wake up at 3:27 to 4:30, between that time period, the mind again sends the signals to the body that it's time to wake up. And at that time, if we don't wake up, right, we will feel anxiety, we will feel like laziness. Sometimes when we even wake up at 8 9 o'clock, we feel laziness. Why? Because we are not able to follow that circadian rhythm. So that because that synchronize the body, because if we able to follow that particular cells, particular cycle, it will synchronize the body with the mind, and we will feel fresh, we will like feel distressed, we will feel light, we will have some healthy lifestyle, we will feel fresh. Because that's why people used to go in the gym early in the morning at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, because they have to get up early in the morning. So that is the way we can do exercise, yogas, mostly people do in the morning. Why? Because science has proved, they have proved in that thesis statement in the Belgium, the two scientists. So it will also improve our like immune system, balance our hormone, and it the hormone that the signal the mind sends, which is called cortisol, cortisol hormone will increase, because if in body where cortisol hormone will decrease, we will feel more laziness and anxiety. That is why it is more important that cortisol hormone should be more at a higher level. So we have to wake up early. And the best part of this, even the person who has even first stage cancer, they can prevent even if they can regulate their life in the first stage. Even though like they have to follow the guidelines of the doctors, they have to do exercise, they have to maintain the diet chart, that's all. But this waking up early, sleeping early cycle can impact more for the first stage cancer people, and they have prevented. There are the case studies in the YouTube available. So basically also not in the science, this talk that I have given is based on the science, that why to wake up early, about the cycle, circadian rhythm, how the signal brain sends to the body even if they wake up, right? Because there is also a thing, like if we do hard work, like if we go for 10 hours, 12 hours for the job, or for we have some meetings or business, and when we sleep, and when we try to get up at 4:30 or 5 o'clock, we are so tired that our body will say no to get up, but our mind will send that signal particular, right, to the body that it's time to wake up, but our body will not able to get that particular signals because we are more tired, because we worked at very late, right? So with that, the problems comes, the health problem comes. So because of that, if we are able to regulate our life in terms of sleeping cycles, it will be beneficial immensely to our health, immune system, mind, freshness, anxiety, depression, everything. And there is also, like in terms of scriptural way, in terms of our Vedas, we can see that when we get up, even though like it's written in the Puranas, in scriptures, Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, everywhere, that waking up early is called Brahma Muhurta time. Brahma Muhurat means 1.5 hour before the sunrise. So for example, sunrise happens at 6 o'clock. Then we have to wake up at 4:30. So between 4:30 and 6, that is called Brahma Muhurat time. So you can see that all the saints, all the monks used to meditate and chant the holy name in the morning period, because that's called the Brahma Muhurta, where the mind is able to focus more comparatively to the afternoon and night. So that is why it's not only the science, the scripture says like many thousands of years back about the importance of waking up early, and it will increase our health too. So the conclusion for this is, early to bed, early to rise is not only science, it's all about spiritual as well, because science and spiritual is not different. Science is spirituality and spirituality is science. So that is what we can understand, that the important of waking up early to keep nice sleeping cycle, to keep regulated life, will automatically help us in keeping our health nice, rather than following some other diet habits or some protein powders, outside foods. It will not help if we just able to regulate our life and sleep early and wake up early in the morning.